Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Bugungi darsimizda sizlar bilan free time, hobbies, interest, ya'ni bo'sh vaqt, sevimli mashg'ulotlar va qiziqishlar mavzusidagi yangi so'zlarni o'rganamiz. Demak, darsimizni boshladik. Word number 1 is to take a nap, to have a nap. Birinchi so'zimiz biroz uxlab olish, dam olish. I take a nap almost every day after lunch. Men deyarli har kuni tushlikdan keyin ozroq uxlab olaman. I had a nap for about 1 hour. Men 1 soatcha uxlab oldim. Word number 2. Relax. To take it easy, to calm down, to release tension and anxiety. Ikkinchi so'zimiz tinchlanmoq, orom olmoq. I like to take a bath to relax after a hard day at work. Men ishdagi og'ir kundan keyin vanna qabul qilib, orom olishni xush ko'raman. People in the 21st century worked hard and didn't have time to relax. 21-asr odamlari shu qadar qattiq ishlashadi va ularning orom olishga vaqtlari yo'q. Word number 3. To set aside some time. To take some time. Uchinchi so'zimiz biroz vaqt ajratmoq. We set aside some time to discuss the new project. Biz yangi loyihani muzokara qilish uchun biroz vaqt ajratdik. If you don't have a pet, set aside some time to do exercise. Agarda sizning sevimli hayvoningiz bo'lmasa, unda badan tarbiya uchun vaqt ajrating. Word number 4. Take up. Start to learn or do something. Biror yangi narsani qila boshlamoq yoki o'rgana boshlamoq. He decided to take up photography as a hobby. U hobby sifatida suratkashlikni boshlashga qaror qildi. She took up jogging after her doctor advised her to get some exercise. Uning shifokori unga badan tarbiya qilishni, jismoniy mehnat qilishni tavsiya qilgach, u har kuni piyoda yurishni boshladi. Word number 5. Take part. Participate in something. 5-chi so'zimiz biror narsada qatnashmoq, ishtirok etmoq. He took part in the sporting event. U sport musobaqasida ishtirok etdi. We took part in the contest. Biz musobaqada ishtirok etdik. Word number 6. Be in the mood. To feel like doing something. 6-chi so'zimiz biror narsa qilish uchun ayni kayfiyatda bo'lmoq. I'm in the mood to listen to music online. Men onlayn musiqa eshitish uchun ayni kayfiyatdaman. I'm not in the mood to talk to him. Men u bilan gaplashadigan kayfiyatda emasman. Word number 7. Tend to. Usually, regularly or frequently do something. 7-chi so'zimiz biror narsa qilishga odatlanmoq. When he is tired, he tends to make mistakes. U charchagan paytida ko'p xato qilishga odatlangan. She is really careful about what she eats because she tends to gain weight easily. U nima yeyishini qat'iy nazorat qiladi, chunki u odatda tez vazn yig'adi. Word number 8. To have a stroll. To have a short walk to somewhere in a leisurely and relaxed way. 8-chi so'zimiz piyoda sayr qilmoq. We had a stroll at night along the beach. Biz kechasi sohil bo'ylab sayr qildik. My favorite pastime is having a stroll along the shore. Mening sevimli mashg'ulotim qirg'oq bo'ylab piyoda sayr qilish. Word number 9. Rock climbing. The activity of climbing rocky cliffs as a hobby or sport. 9-chi so'zimiz qoyalarni tirmashmoq, sevimli mashg'ulot yoki sport turi sifatida. People who enjoy rock climbing are adventurous and brave. Qoyaga tirmashishni xush ko'ruvchi odamlar odatda sarguzashtga moyil va jasur bo'lishadi. Rock climbing is pretty popular these days. Qoyaga tirmashish shu kunlarda anchayin mashhurlashgan. Word number 10. Hiking. The activity of going on long walks in the countryside, usually for pleasure or exercise. 10-chi so'zimiz uzoq masofaga piyoda yurmoq, odatda qishloq joylarida. I love hiking. Men piyoda yurishni yaxshi ko'raman. We'll get in some fishing and hiking and perhaps some hunting. Biz baliq tutishga va piyoda sayr qilishga boramiz va ehtimol ov qilishga ham.